Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here, and I'm so excited because this is a big weekend for my favorite team. I'm not talking about the Detroit Lions. I'm excited about the Lions, who are playing today against the Washington Commanders in the playoffs. Biggest game of the year for them, and I do love the Lions. Been rooting for them my whole life. Found a picture of me getting an autograph from Hall of Famer Charlie Sanders when I was like 6 years old. And been going to their games and rooting them for my whole life. My kids, my family, we've been to Lions games, love the Detroit Lions. But they're not my favorite team. My favorite team, my two favorite teams, number one is my family. That's my team. Number two, I started a business of my own over 30 years ago, working with a team called the I Live team. And it's a bunch of independent business owners that meet up several times a year and encourage each other, motivate, train, coach. And we're having a conference this weekend in Louisville, Kentucky. And so right now it's 8:04 p.m. We're just kicking off our evening session. But wait, the Lions are playing at 8:30. And you know what? I'll catch that later. It's a football game, right? I got to do what's best for my team, which is my family, my business team, people that are counting on me. Right, that I love rooting on the Lions, but that's not my team. I'm not on the Lions. They don't pay my bills. They're never going to. And so I see people that I feel sometimes are a little out of whack, sacrificing the most important team, their family, their business, their calling, their ministry, for which would probably be a little less important team, which is a sports team. You know, I believe God created you with the innate desire to win, to compete, to be part of something bigger than yourself. Don't let that desire be fulfilled with something as insignificant as professional sports or college sports. Find a way that you can go win for you and your family. I'm a fan of the Lions, and that comes from the word fanatic, I think. And I'm a little fanatical about rooting for the Lions, but not as fanatical as I am of going out and setting an example for my kids of chasing a dream, serving people, making a difference. And so that's my challenge to you. I hope your favorite football team wins this weekend. But more important than that, go build your team. Put yourself in the starting lineup and go win a championship. Over and out from Louisville, Kentucky.